commands. They will all be yelling and screaming at you. You need to tone them out and listen to my commands. I will be right here on your shoulder. When I tell you to get down, get down. When I tell you to kneel, kneel. Alright, I'll be pushing you forward. I'll be pulling you up. Listen to my commands.
Yeah.
I will be shooting next to you.
Well, I've gotten everybody so far.
I was going to just, can you text it to me before we leave?
Yeah, I'll get your number. Yeah, I'll get your number and everything.
Testing my scope is what I'm doing, seeing how well it's in place.
Alright. On the whistle.